Hello, let's solve a rational equation. And why is this a rational equation? Easy, because we have variable in the denominators. That's why. Let's work on this. So I want to get rid of the denominators. So to get rid of the denominators, remember, I have to find common denominator in the whole equation. What will be the common denominator? I need to factorize all the denominators. I cannot factorize this polynomial anymore because this is a first degree polynomial and we cannot extract common factor. Here we cannot factorize anymore because of the same reason than here. And here this is a prime number. So in this case we have to take the product of all of them. So it would be this times this times this, and here exactly the same. Okay, let's work on this. If we divide this numerator by t plus 5, the result will be 2 times t minus 4. So 2 times t minus 4 times this, t plus 1. Plus, if we divide this by this, the result is this. So we have to multiply this times this. And here, if we divide by 2, we obtain this, and we have to multiply it by 5. We proceed the same way we do when we work with fractions with numbers. T plus 5 times t minus 4. Right, let's develop everything here, and we can get rid of denominators because they are the same. So we have to multiply 2. I'm going to multiply first these two brackets. So t times t squared, using, remember, distributive property, plus t minus 4t minus 4, plus 2 times, I'll multiply this first, t minus t squared plus 5 minus 5t. And this equals 5 times t squared minus 4t plus 5t minus 20. So 2t squared plus 2t minus 8t minus 8 plus tt minus 2t squared plus 10. Remember, distributive property again. Minus 10t equals 5t squared minus 20t plus 25t minus 100. Here we have a second degree equation. We have to organize it. We start with the terms with the highest degree, which is degree 2. 2t squared minus 2t squared, 0. So here we would have 5t squared. To keep this positive, I'll take everything to the right. So 5t squared. Now 2t minus 8t, negative 6t, plus 2, negative 4. Negative 4 minus 10 minus 14t, that comes here adding. And we would have minus 20 plus 25, 5 plus 14. That is minus 19t. The result is 19t for the terms with t. And now we go on with numbers. So we would have negative 8 plus 10 to 2, which goes negative to the other side, minus 102 equals 0. We have to solve this second degree equation. That would be negative b minus 19 plus or minus a square root of 19 squared, which is 361, minus 4ac. That will be positive because negative 4 with this negative becomes positive, and the result is this. All over 2a, 2 times 5, which is 10. If we operate, we will obtain the result 3 and negative 34 over 5. Just one little but important detail. Once we have calculated the solutions, we have to make sure that they don't make my denominators in the original equations be 0, because Remember that with real numbers, we cannot divide by 0. The result would be infinity or negative infinity, which is not a real number, it's a concept. In this case, 3 doesn't make this denominator 0, and negative 38 over 5 doesn't make both negative 0. So both solutions are correct. And this is the final answer. I hope you understood. Bye. See you soon.